Crypto has exploded into the sports world this year as we have seen multiple $100 million deals with not only organizations such as the NFL and the UFC, but also with athletes such as the GOAT, Tom Brady. But before we start, 10K Trades is a brand new YouTube channel talking about investing in cryptocurrency and other blockchain news. So guys, all I'm saying is go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, and there will be much more content coming out in the future. Now, let's get into it. Just in the past couple months, there have been some insane deals between the sports world and the crypto world. Now, for starters, Tom Brady agreed to a long-term deal where he will be an ambassador for the crypto exchange FTX. Now, Tom Brady has seemed to be a crypto advocate for a while now, and even for a long time, he had his Twitter picture to the infamous laser eyes. And for this deal with FTX, Tom Brady was not only paid with equity within the company, but also he was paid in crypto. We don't know exactly how much Tom Brady is getting paid. However, I mean, guys, it's Tom Brady, so it's probably safe to say he's getting paid a lot. Also, the crypto exchange FTX didn't just stop there. They made a couple other deals, which includes the US esports organization Team Solo Mid, or TSM. And in this deal, they have agreed to a multi-year naming rights partnership, and this deal is worth $210 million. Now, this is the largest of its kind in competitive gaming history. And also, FTX made another deal with the MLB where all the umpires will be wearing the FTX logo on their uniforms for the 2021 All-Star Game. And another huge deal that has been in the works is the UFC's partnership with Cryptocom. Cryptocom will become the UFC's first ever global official fight kit partner, which means that you're going to see the logo on all of the athletes' clothes, their training gear, their uniforms. And if you watched the Conor McGregor fight this past weekend, then you probably saw the big Crypto.com logo on the octagon itself. And the UFC took this deal even a step further and announced that Crypto.com will become the UFC's first ever official cryptocurrency platform partner, which opens an entire new sponsorship category for the UFC. Now, this is a huge deal, with the overall deal being worth more than $175 million over the next 10 years. And now this doesn't just stop with the deals between crypto companies and sports. Now, we are seeing a new interesting phenomenon where a lot of athletes are demanding to be paid in Bitcoin. For example, Spencer Dinwiddie of the Brooklyn Nets has reported that he is planning to accept his $34 million NBA contract extension fully paid in crypto. And we've already seen this type of stuff in the NFL with players like Russell Okung of the Carolina Panthers, who has accepted half of his $13 million salary in Bitcoin. And Sean Culkin of the Kansas City Chiefs was the first player to accept his full salary of $920,000 fully in Bitcoin. There are also some teams that are warming up to the idea of taking Bitcoin as payments for their tickets. This includes the Oakland A's, the Sacramento Kings, and also the Dallas Mavericks. So the next time you go to one of these games, you can try and pay in some Bitcoin. And now the Dallas Mavericks is planning to take this even a step further with the help of their owner, Mark Cuban. Now, Mark Cuban has been a huge supporter of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies for a long time now, and he's been pushing his businesses in that direction, so this includes the Dallas Mavericks. He's even been talking about turning the tickets into NFTs themselves, or including NFTs whenever you buy a Dallas Mavericks ticket. Now, this is such a cool concept, but it is an even better business move. By selling these tickets as NFTs, you're going to be receiving all the royalties when these tickets are sold on the secondary market. Obviously, tickets are scalped every single game, and it's going to continue to happen. And ticket scalping is a $15 billion industry. So this idea of making the tickets into NFTs is a great way to bring the money away from the resellers and back to the people and the original creators of the tickets. And the second thing that they'd be able to do with the NFTs is that they'd be able to attach photos, GIFs, video clips, or anything digitally from the game, so that it's like a digital souvenir that you went to the game of what actually happened. Then the holder of this ticket could either keep it as a memento and just remember it, it's a good memory that you had from the game, or you could also resell it on NFT marketplaces such as NBA Top Shop. And this is such a cool idea. Like, just imagine you went to the game where Kobe scored 81 points, or LeBron won a championship with Cleveland, or something huge like this, and you have the original NFT and the ticket from that game, then you can resell it, and it's huge value. Tickets like these would be iconic, and finally we have the technology where you can make this real. And other NBA teams are slowly starting to see the potential with this, and they are starting to jump on the bandwagon. Overall, the excitement with Bitcoin and blockchain within sports is really growing, and we are going to see so many cool different things when these projects are actually released. And also, this is just the beginning. And now, if this video was helpful at all, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, because guys, there will be much more content coming out every single week, and I'll see you in the next video.